Hello all, welcome. Let's discuss window management. Introduction. Microsoft Windows also provides several window management schemes: single document interface, multiple document interface, workbooks and projects. They are all window management schemes. To choose the right scheme to present an application's collection of related tasks or processes, consider a number of design factors including the intended users and their skill level, the application and its object or tasks, and the most effective use of a display space. These window management schemes are not exclusive design techniques. They may be combined or others developed. These techniques, however, are the most frequently used schemes. Now let's discuss single document interface. Description is single primary window with a set of secondary windows. Okay, that's what the description. Proper usage. Where object and window have a simple one-to-one relationship, we can use this single document interface. Where the object's primary presentation or use is as a single unit. To support alternate views with a control that allows the view to be changed. To support simultaneous views by splitting the window into panes. Okay, these are proper usage. Advantages of single document interface are: most common usage. Window manipulation is easier and less confusing. Data centered approach. Best disadvantage is information is displayed or edited in separate window. Often the window interface can be established using a single primary window. A single document window design is sufficient when the object's primary presentation or use is as a single unit such as folder or document. Even when the object contains different types, in a single document window design, the primary window provides the primary view or work area. Secondary windows can be used for supplemental forms of input and to view information about objects presented in the primary window. Now let's discuss multiple document interface. A technique for managing a set of windows where documents are opened into windows. Contains what? A single primary window called the parent, a set of related document or child windows, each also essentially a primary window. Each child window is constrained to appear only within the parent window. The child windows share the parent window's operational elements. The parent window's elements can be dynamically changed to reflect the requirements of the active child window. Proper usage is to present multiple occurrences of an object, to compare data within two or more windows, to present multiple parts of an application best suited for viewing homogeneous object types, to clearly segregate the objects and their windows used in a task. Advantages are: the child windows share the parent windows interface components, menus, toolbars and status bars, making it a very space efficient interface. Useful for managing a set of objects, provides a grouping and focus for a set of activities within the larger environment of the desktop. Disadvantage of multiple document interface are: reinforces an application as the primary focus. Containment for secondary windows within child windows does not exist, obscuring window relationships and possibly creating confusion. Because the parent window doesn't actually contain objects, context cannot always be maintained on closing and opening. The relationships between the files and their windows is abstract, making an MDI multiple document interface application more challenging for beginning users to learn. Confining child windows to the parent window can be inconvenient or inappropriate for some tasks. The nested nature of child windows may make it difficult for the user to distinguish a child window in a parent window from our primary window that is peer with parent window but is positioned on top. Now let's discuss in detail. MDI multiple document interface may be used when multiple views of an object or multiple documents must be looked simultaneously. The purpose of this scheme of windows is to provide multiple views of the same object to an application to permit comparisons among related objects and to present multiple parts of an application. An MDI interface consists of multiple document windows that are easy to move between, essentially primary windows constrained to appear only within the parent window's boundary instead of on the desktop. These windows may be referred to by a name that describes Their contents such as main in Windows, program manager, when minimized they are displayed at the bottom of their parent window in iconic form. They are also resizable, movable and scrollable. The primary window menu bar content may change dynamically depending on the MDI window with a focus. With MDI, the parent window provides a visual operational framework for its child windows. Child windows typically share the menu bar of the parent window and can also share other parts of the parent's interface such as toolbar or status bar. These components can be changed to reflect the commands and attributes of the child window active at that moment. Secondary windows displayed as a result of interaction within the MDI parent or child window, dialog boxes, message box or property sheets, or these are for example, typically are not contained or clipped by parent window. These windows should activate and display content according to the conventions for secondary windows associated with the primary window. If an MDI document is opened, the MDI parent window opens first and then the child window for the document opens within it. When the user closes the parent window, all of its child windows are closed. Where possible, the state of the child window such as its size and position within the parent window should be preserved and restored when the user reopens the file. Now let's discuss another scheme, workbooks. Window or task management technique that consists of a set of views organized like a tabbed notebook. Workbooks. It is based upon the metaphor of a book or notebook. Views of objects are presented as sections within the workbook's primary windows. Child windows do not exist here. Each section represents a view of data. Tabs can be included and used to navigate between sections. Otherwise, its characteristics and behavior are similar to those of the multiple document interface with all child windows maximized. Proper usage: to manage a set of views of an object, to optimize quick navigation of multiple views for content where the order of the sections is significant. Now let's discuss workbooks. Advantages: provides a grouping and focus for a set of activities within the larger environment of the desktop. Conserves screen real estate. Provides the greater simplicity of the single document window interface. Provides greater simplicity by eliminating child window management. Preserves more management capability over the multiple document interface. Disadvantages: cannot present simultaneous views. Let's discuss in detail. Workbook is a scheme of managing a set of views that uses the metaphor of a book or notebook. Within the workbook, views of objects in the form of sections are presented within the workbook's primary window rather than in individual child windows. Tabs are used as a navigational interface to move between different sections. Order the tabs to fit the content and organization of the presented information. Each tabbed section represents a view of data. One section can be used to list the workbook's table of contents. Now let's discuss another scheme, projects. A technique that consists of a container, a project window holding a set of objects that are peers with a project window. Visual containment of the peer windows within the project window is not necessary. The objects being held within the project window can be opened in primary windows that are peers within the project window. Each opened peer window must possess its own menu bar and the other interface elements. Each opened peer window can have its own entry on the taskbar. When a project window is closed, all the peer windows of objects and also close. When the project window is opened, the peer windows of the contained objects are restored to their former positions. Peer windows of a project may be restored without the project window itself being restored. Proper usage: to manage a set of objects that do not necessarily need to be contained when child windows are not to be constrained. Advantages: provides grouping and focus for a set of activities within the larger environment of the desktop. Preserves more management capabilities of the multiple document interface. Provides the greatest flexibility in the placement and arrangement of windows. Disadvantages: increased complexity due to difficulty in differentiating peer primary window of the project from windows of other applications. let's discuss in detail. A project is similar to multiple document interface but does not visually contain the child windows. Objects represented by icons contained within it can be opened into primary windows that are peers with parent window. Opened peer windows in the project do not share the menu bar or other areas contained with the parent window. Each opened peer window within the project must possess its own menu bar and the other interface elements. A palette window can be developed for sharing by all project windows. However, each peer child window can have its own entry on the taskbar. Thank you for watching.